Cardano value equivalent to 7.0291 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.9036, 7.2107. The earlier day close, 6.9821. The change was plus 0.0470, plus 0.67%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 7.16 rands, high 7.66, low 6.66. Cardano estimate on Friday, April 7, cost 7.18 rands, high 7.68, low 6.68. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 6.97 rands, high 7.46, low 6.48. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost 6.75 rands, high 7.22, low 6.28. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 7.14 rands, high 7.64, low 6.64. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost 6.98 rands, high 7.47, low 6.49. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 7.29 rands, high 7.80, low 6.78. Cardano estimate on Monday, April 17, cost 7.79 rands, high 8.34, low 7.24. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 7.51 rands, high 8.04, low 6.98. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 7.47 rands, high 7.99, low 6.95. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 7.32 rands, high 7.83, low 6.81. Cardano figure on Friday, April 21, cost 7.09 rands, high 7.59, low 6.59. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 7.35 rands, high 7.86, low 6.84. Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 7.14 rands, high 7.64, low 6.64. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 8.07 rands, high 8.63, low 7.51. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 7.87 rands, high 8.42, low 7.32. Cardano figure on Monday, May 1, cost 7.51 rands, high 8.04, low 6.98. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 8.06 rands, high 8.62, low 7.50. In about a month Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 8.05 rands, high 8.61, low 7.49. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 7.76 rands, high 8.30, low 7.22. Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 7.79 rands, high 8.34, low 7.24. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 7.09 rands, excessive cost 8.63, while low cost 6.28. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.47. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.87, change for April 11.0%. Cardano conjecture for May 2023. In the first place cost at 7.87 rands, exorbitant cost 9.50, while low cost 6.98. The found the middle value of cost 8.31. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.88, change for May 12.8%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 8.88 rands, exorbitant cost 10.49, while low cost 8.88. The found the middle value of cost 9.51. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.80, change for June 10.4%. Cardano gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 9.80 rands, excessive cost 9.97, while low cost 8.67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.44. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.32, change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 9.32 rands, excessive cost 11.57, while low cost 9.32. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.26. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10.81. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 10.81 rands. Excessive cost 10.81, while low cost 8.44. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.79. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.08. Change for September 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 9.08 rands. Excessive cost 9.08, while low cost 7.10. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.22. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.63. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 7.63 rands. Excessive cost 7.69, while low cost 6.69. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.30. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.19. Change for November 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 7.19 rands. Excessive cost 7.96, while low cost 6.92. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.38. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.44. Change for December 3.5%. Cardano figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 7.44 rands. Excessive cost 7.44, while low cost 6.16. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.92. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.62. Change for January 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 6.62 rands. Excessive cost 8.12, while low cost 6.62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.24. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.59. Change for February 14.7%. Cardano figure for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 7.59 rands. Excessive cost 7.59, while low cost 5.93. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.87. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.38. Change for spring 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 6.38 rands. Excessive cost 6.38, while low cost 4.98. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.78. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.36. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1423 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1387 minus 0.1449. The earlier days nearby 0.1432. Change for now 0.0009, 0.63%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Cardano gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.140 coins, high 0.150, low 0.131. ZAR to ADA forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 0.139.